Hello everyone, I am Snehil. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I did my graduation from KL University in B.TECH CSE branch. I got 8.74 CGPA, but from my college I didn't get any placement. So by God grace, Jspiders visited into our campus. So from there I got a chance to for incubation batch. So I came to Hyderabad on 24 May 2025 in Jspiders JNTU. So here I find very good teachers who taught me very well like SQL programming, advanced Java, core Java. I would specially like to thank all my faculties, Divya ma'am, Pawan sir, Shiva sir, and as well as Ravi sir. And I would like to thank all my HRs, all the management team who are taking regularly mock session, aptitude session, grooming session. Because of these things only students are getting placed. This is the best way to get into IT industry. And once again I would like to thank Jspiders. Thank you.